We're going to have a look at the basics for the highest common factor and the lowest common multiple, and this will usually be between 2 or 3 numbers. They'll ask you what is the highest common factor of these two numbers, or the lowest common multiple of these 2 or 3 numbers. So let's have a look. First, we're going to say HCF is an abbreviation for the highest common factor. And please remember to write the factors in the correct way. With nice small numbers like this, we can just list all the factors. Remember, a factor is what you can count up to that number in. So, for instance, if we want to write the factors of 12, we'll write it like this. The factors of 12 is equal to, I can always count in ones up to 12, so 1 will always be a factor. I can also count in 2s up to 12, 2, 4, 6, 18, 12. I can count in 3s up to 12. I can definitely count in 4s up to 12 as well, 4, 8, 12. I can't count in 5s up to 12, so that won't work. Can I count in 6s up to 12? Yes, I can. And then, of course, I can count in 12s up to 12. So there I've got my factors for 12. Then I'm going to list the factors for 16. The factors of 16 are always the 1. Can I count in 1s up to 16? I can. I can count in 2s up to 16. Can I count in 3s up to 16? No, I can't do that. How about 4s? I can count in 4s, 4, 8, 12, 16. I can't count in 5s up to 16. Neither can I count in 7s, but I can in 8s, 8, 16. And the next factor is 16. You'll see that the factors are always have the number itself and number 1 in. So all we have to do now is have a look which one is the highest number that is in both of them. Both of them don't have a 12, both of them don't have a 6, but both of them do have a 4. So the highest common factor is 4. Okay, let's move on to the multiples. The lowest common multiple, LCM, is an abbreviation for the lowest common multiple, and we have to find the lowest common multiple of 3 and 5. We're going to do this very similarly to the highest common factor. So let's list the multiples. Okay, so the multiple, just erase that. The multiples of 3. And I'm only going to do the first couple because we're looking for the lowest multiple that both of them have. So let's start counting in 3. So it's going to be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Let's see if that's enough. The multiples of 5. We count in 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. Already I can see that there's a multiple that both of them have. And remember, we're looking for the smallest one. Only one has a 3. A 5, only one is 6. Let's have a look. There I can see there's a 15 in both of them. So 15 would be the lowest common multiple. So we can write it as the lowest common multiple is 15. If you have more than 2 numbers, all you do is just list the multiples of those numbers and look for the lowest number that occurs in each one of the numbers that you have to get the LCM for.